Let's see C++ files in this video. So coming to the definition of the file. So files are nothing but a concept or a privilege that provides the programming languages to store the inputs and outputs of a program permanently. So, or in general, files are used to store the data permanently for future reference. So here, so what happens is, if there is a program, let's take C++ program. So if it is a normal program without files, if it is executed, it will produce the output, and once it is closed, these outputs will be getting vanished off, so it won't be stored permanently. Suppose if you need if there is a need to store the output of a file, sorry, output of a program for a future reference, so then these files come into picture. So we'll be transferring the output produced by a program to the files. So these files keep the information permanently until the file is deleted. So the steps involved in file handling are creating a file, opening a file, writing the file, so writing the data into the file, reading the data from the file, and finally we will close the file. So this is a library file, so which has been included into the program if we are using files in the program. So under FStream, that is the library file, we have three different classes, that is OFStream, IFStream, and FStream. So this OFStream is responsible for, or it consists functions for creating files and writing information to the files. Similarly, for reading information from the files, we have IFStream, and this FStream contains all the functions for performing both reading and writing operations on the files. So better if we include FStream, then we no need to worry about OFStream or IFStream. So here uh, in both these streams, that is OFStream and IFStream, we have a function named open, so which is used to open the file for either reading or writing. So this the syntax for the open function is open followed by open and closed parenthesis. So the first parameter for this function will be file name, and the second is mode. So this we'll see in the forthcoming slides. So, and these are all used inside the open function. So each and every kind represents certain operations. So here this app it mentions the append mode. Suppose if you are sending an content to the file, so it will be appended with the previous content. So and this will be moved to the last position of the file at the end of the file. So this is for reading, and this is for writing. This is for truncating. Truncating in the sense it is the file will be truncated. Certain number of bytes will be truncated using this. Can be truncated using this command. So this is a program which specifies the writing operation performed on a file. So here what we are going to do is we are just writing a program to write a content into the file, and in the next program we are just going to read the content that is written in the file using this program. So while creating a file in a program, you have to include this fstream, and then as usual other header files will be has to be included, and from main function we are starting the program. So here actually my aim is to open a file named myfile.txt. So and then we are going to open the file named myfile.txt, and then in that I need to write this content, that is welcome to files in C++. This has to be transferred to this file. So for that the first step is opening the file. So actually this open command is in fstream. If I want to access the open command, I need to create an object for this fstream. Fstream is a class, so I have to create object for the class, and using that object I am taking the function open from the fstream, and using that function I am opening the file name myfile.txt, and I am setting it for write mode. So now these statements now has opened the file and it is in write mode. That is, you can just write the contents into the file. So anyhow, file will be opened by this command, but for my convenience, what I am doing is I am checking whether this file has been opened or not. So actually I am setting the condition to be not open. So if it is not open, then the file, this cout statement will display that the file is not created. So if the file is existing, so then this becomes false and this else part will be executed. Now this cout statement displays the file created successfully, and what we have to do is, so this is our aim, that we have to write this content, that is welcome to files in this file, that is my file.txt. This is the file name, the my file.txt. So for that what I am doing is just I am using this object, or this is the reference to the file, that is my file.txt. So using this, what I'm doing is just writing a statement just like cout. I'm mentioning the file name and sorry, file object, and then I am just using this extraction operator and writing the content that has to be written. So this statement just stores this content into this file. So now once it is written, the file is closed. So this program is written to display the contents from the file. Here the same program is written. So here what we are doing is, as usual, we are including the f stream, and we are opening the same file which is opened there. So now this file is with the content, that is welcome to my files is there in this file. So again you are checking whether the file is opened or not. If it is open, what I'm actually doing is, now I have to display the content which is inside the file into the screen, or transfer to the screen. So for that what I am doing is I am creating a memory named ch. So I have planned to take one character at once and shift to the ch, and from the ch I am displaying it to the output, displaying as output. So for that only these statements are written. So character ch, it creates the memory, and then this statement, that is my file insertion into ch, that is from the file, that is this file, one character will be transferred to ch first. So then the w will be stored and ch will be displayed. So the first output will be w. So but the remaining characters are also there, that is el something is there. So for that characters are also to be displayed. So for that what I am doing is I am just putting this operation in a loop. So as w is displayed, so other characters will also transferred one by one to the ch, and finally when this condition is met, that is when the end of the file has been reached, then break statement will be executed, then it will be, so the entire content in the file will get displayed. So then we are just closing the file, and now using the file we have stored the output of that particular program, and for our future reference we have displayed the output from the file. So for this purpose, for store the data permanently, we are using the files. So I think you could remember that. So first we have written a program and we have closed. So and then we are writing a new program. So we are just taking the output of the program which is not in live now. So we are just since we have just transferred the output of the program of the previous program to the file, so it's permanently stored, so we can able to access from this program. So what you have to understand is, so using this file, now we can able to store the output of a program permanently, and we no need the program to be executed again for opening its output. So these are all the things you need to know about the file. Thank you.